Now we will see how to develop a code for face detection, eyes detection and lip detection. Lip detection means smile detection. So let's start. First, we will import the important libraries. The most important library here in this code are, first is CV2. CV2 is an open source library and it is basically for computer vision. And second is we are going to import NumPy. NumPy is for numerical Python. Whatever the numerical operations we are going to perform, whatever n-dimensional array we are going to use in this example, so all the operations are carried out with the help of this NumPy package. Run this code. Okay. The next is, now we are going to build a model where we are going to detect face as well as eyes and smile detection. So there are three classifiers which are already there in OpenCV. I'll show you that. So here in OpenCV, there are three classifiers, that is hair cascade eye, hair cascade frontal face default and hair cascade smile. So these three classifiers are present in OpenCV package. For the sake of convenience, I have copy pasted these three classifiers into my current directory. If you want to see the classifiers, go into Anaconda 3, then here in library, then side packages, and here CV2, and in the data. So these are the different pre-trained models which are available in the OpenCV. So now we are going to build a model which will detect the smile of a person, eyes and face. Okay. So I have just copy pasted these three classifier, that is hair cascade smile, hair cascade eye and hair cascade frontal face default. Just copy paste these three classifier into the current directory. Okay. If you just copy paste these three classifier in the current directory, you don't need to provide the path. But if you don't want to keep these classifier in your current directory, then in that case you need to provide the entire path. Okay. Now let's load the classifier. First I'll load face classifier. Here, as my classifier is in the current working directory, so I don't need to provide the entire path. I'll just provide the name of the classifier. So just go here and right click this, and this is the name of my classifier. This is eyes. I want this. Frontal face. Copy paste this. .xml is the extension. Next classifier is eyes. Copy paste the name. .xml, and third is we are also going to detect the smile of a person. Okay. Now the next step is we are going to do this face, eyes and smile detection using web camera. So for that you need to create an object for video capture. So cap is the object which we have created. CV2.video capture is a method, and here you need to pass up argument. If you are doing face detection using video which is already there in your laptop, then you can just provide the name of file here. But if you are using your inbuilt camera of laptop, then type 0. If there is some second camera, then type 1. In this way, you can provide different arguments. For now, I am using inbuilt camera of my laptop. That's why I have written 0. So this is the third step where you are going to initialize in simple terms camera. Now next step is we want to take the video frame by frame. For that we will first create a while loop, and 1 stands for this loop is true till the end of video, till the end of the program. And here I am going to read the video capture. So cap.read reads till the end and it reads frame by frame. Now after reading the video, after reading the frames, the next step is I am going to convert it into a grayscale. Gray is equal to cv2 dot cvt color, and here you can pass two arguments. First is the name of frame, this is the frame video input, and second parameter is you need to pass the code conversion. Here I am converting this to gray, so the code is color underscore dgr to gray. Okay, so with the help of this line, the image will be converted to grayscale. Now first we will perform face detection. For face detection, there is method which is classifier. Classifier is face, right? Our face classifier is in this variable, that is face. So write face dot detect multiscale, and here we pass the argument, that is the name of name or the variable of our video plus scaling factor, and we provide the number of neighbors. You can change this value as per your convenience.